gave us the ability to build a track record and build some success, and also put us in a position where we could co-invest with our investors in our deals, which is very important. When people are making an investment decision, they need to have alignment with their partner, and co-investment is the biggest part of that alignment.
That makes sense. So skin in the game,
Exactly. It's really important. And today we're the biggest investor in all of our deals, but we've never forgotten our investors. So we continue to bring in the same investors that we were bringing in 25 years ago, but they come in at a whole different level today.
Right.
So I think part of the lesson from that is that people who are able to invest small amounts of money over time are able to invest larger amounts of money, and then eventually significant amounts of money. And for us, we've really been able to build a business around our investor base who has grown with us as we have grown. But through building the trust, obviously delivering good performance, standing behind our deals, etc.
Yeah.
Come meet us over at signetinvestments.com. There you'll have access to our full podcast and articles archives. Thank you, and invest wisely.